Beaujolais Nouveau, every year, every vintage, always comes out worldwide on the third Thursday of November. So the date itself changes every year, and every vintage it's never the same. And that's why we never know when it actually comes out. So when does it come out? This year in 2019. It's coming up rather soon, sooner than you think, perhaps. Well, this year in 2019, Beaujolais Nouveau will be celebrated on the Thursday, 21st of November. So still a few weeks to go. And this will be valid worldwide, whether you're in Japan, in Europe, in France, in the UK, or in the United States, even in Australia, and even later in Hawaii. If you want to learn more about what is Beaujolais Nouveau, I made an entire video series explaining where it comes from, where the tradition comes from, what it is, why is it so fruity, so enjoyable, why is it such a hype, is there such a hype around Beaujolais Nouveau. I'll leave you to it, linking to this very video about what is Beaujolais Nouveau right here. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers. Enjoy.